trouble we can get into and get these stinking briars up. I hate those damn things. Got down to freezing last night. Fall is just about over and winter is on its way. Supposed to be really nice this week, but they're saying long range forecast supposed to get nasty. So it's time to start winterizing the homestead here. Got a bunch of this stuff here I've been aiming to cut. I don't like much having all this underbrush around the cabin cut. So I want to try to get as much of this I can cut, piled up, ready to burn next spring. And I got other stuff around here to do. This is where my parking area is supposed to be. As you can see, I haven't got there yet. I'd like to get that done this winter before New Year. Wood pile. We had high winds 2 weeks ago, and high winds and rain, I guess it pushed part of my wood pile fell over, so I got to fix that. Got stuff around here just got to do. So come along with me today. This is a day of doing little chores around the homestead and see what trouble we can get into and get these stinking briars up. I hate those damn things. Okay, well, I thought I was recording when I cut all that, but I wasn't. I tell you what. Anyway, for whatever reason, currently I left that one little sapling over there. I don't know, sometimes the one just talks to me or whatever and I leave it. So I got some more over here, but I got to refuel now. That's all, folks. For brush clearing. Now the other stuff. I still got see a bunch of stuff in here, but at least I got this area right here cleared out, piled up. Gotta get that old dead rotted tree cut up on there. Eventually, as bad as I hate to, this tree right here and this one here, probably the big one right here, more than likely, because they're blocking a lot of sun. This big thing, monarch here, as bad as I hate to, blocking a lot of sun. So it's really going to affect my solar panels, especially in the winter. So I don't know. I know, like I said, I know this one right here is going to go eventually. Definitely this one here, because it blocks it both in summer and winter. In summer, sun comes up over here, and I have about 4 or 5 hours of really good sun. So, and then the rest of the day it's so-so. So anyway, but right now, I'm just worried about getting this underbrush out. It's just, and you can tell, you know, fighting the briar vines, there's just so many stinking briars in there. And that's why this whole property was, when I started, just this nasty. But I'm getting it. So anyway, I got other chores to do today. Let's get to it. They all left about the middle of September. I miss the little boogers. Be glad when they come back. They don't need that now. Seriously? Oh well, I'll fix it. Well, this is my last bucket for my composting toilet, so this is just an experiment of time. Seems to work pretty good, but I need my bucket now, so. My plan was to cut this one off and bolt it there, but then I got to looking at it, and this one is crooked, so I don't know where I'm going to put it. The wrens seem to, they want to go in, but you know, they're looking in and stuff like that, you know, but they don't like it for some reason. I think the holes are too small for these Carolina wrens, so I need to do some work on the house anyway. Oh man, oh, pack that in there. So right now I'm going to put it up here. Maybe that's what they wanted all along. I just have to deal with that right now so I get it secured. Put the bucket out there and dump it. Oh my gosh! Ooh. Full of gravel. Okay, nice empty bucket. Gives me another month on my before I have to empty all my compost toilet bucket. But I ain't got that done yet either. Well, day's getting long, shadows are getting long. I need to run in town and get some, fill my water jugs. Grab a few groceries and some gas for the Jenny, as well as a pickup. And try to get back before it gets dark. I hate this daylight savings times crap. Pick one and leave it alone. That's what I say. Anyway, thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you know somebody might like this channel, hey, help me out, share the video. We'll catch you on the next one.